Today on Be Well, Be Healthy for Life, Lady K, your wellness coach, talks about anxiety disorders.
More and more today, we hear about teens and adults who suffer from anxiety disorder. They experience a high level of nervousness, fear, or panic about everyday situations that interfere with their ability to handle normal activities. The feelings they experience are real, difficult to control, and can be prolonged, even though they may be out of proportion to the actual danger present. Anxiety disorders are the most common form of mental disorders, affecting nearly 30% of adults at some point in their lives. But the good news is that anxiety disorders can be treated. Occasional anxiety is a regular part of life. In fact, a little anxiety is essential to warn us of impending dangers and trigger the fight or flight response, meaning whether to stay and fight or to run away. Periodic anxiety linked to life events such as illness and grief may be temporary, and calming lifestyle activities such as yoga, tai chi, meditation, and deep breathing may be excellent natural ways to help bring those short-lived episodes under control. However, when your anxiety reaches a level where it affects your schoolwork, your job performance, or personal relationships, then it's time to seek help. You may be living with an anxiety disorder. Common signs of anxiety disorder include having a feeling of doom or panic without obvious danger being present, rapid breathing, an increased heart rate, sweating even when it's cool, trembling, and feeling restless or tense are all symptoms of anxiety. People living with an anxiety disorder may have trouble concentrating on anything but the present cause for concern. They may have sleeping or gastrointestinal problems, or may consciously avoid things that trigger the feeling of anxiety. There are many types of anxiety disorder. Generalized anxiety disorder is the excessive and persistent worry about everyday, ordinary activities or events. Often, this type of anxiety disorder is accompanied by depression and other forms of anxiety disorders. Panic attacks occur as a result of panic disorder, in which the person has repeated and sudden feelings of intense fear or nervousness that peak rapidly and can cause shortness of breath, pounding heartbeat, and even chest pains. Social anxiety disorder is characterized by fear and avoidance of social situations due to self-consciousness and concerns about being judged by others. Specific phobias, the fear or anxiety someone feels when encountering a particular situation or object, are also considered anxiety disorders. Separation anxiety, related to separation from parents or those with parental roles, and selective mutism that causes children not to speak when in certain situations, are common childhood anxiety disorders. Sometimes anxiety can be caused by a medical condition that needs to be treated. In those cases, treating the medical condition may also treat the anxiety. If you answer yes to any of the following questions, then it's time to seek medical help. Do you feel like you are excessively anxious or worrying to the point where it is hard to control it and it's interfering with your daily activities? Yes or no? Do you feel depressed, have trouble sleeping because your mind is overactive with negative or frightening thoughts, or feel a sense of doom without reason? Yes or no? Do you think your anxiety could be linked to a physical health problem? Yes or no? Again, if you answered yes to any of the questions, then it's time to get medical help for your anxiety, as it may get worse if you don't get help. Most importantly, if you are having suicidal thoughts or harming yourself, don't wait for a doctor's appointment. Get emergency help immediately. Anxiety disorders are common, but they can be treated. The sooner you get help, the quicker you'll be on your road to controlling your anxiety.
Be Well, Be Healthy for Life is brought to you by BAF Global Group. Remember, always consult your doctor before starting any new health and wellness regimen. BAF Global Group offers life, health, and general insurance plus a full suite of financial solutions in the Bahamas, life insurance in the Turks and Caicos Islands, and affordable individual and group health insurance in the Cayman Islands. Visit us at mybafsolutions.com.